Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful morning out here on the old Ponderosa. We've got a lot going on today. I've got to get the sprayer hooked up on the old tractor, make sure it's going to work so that we can get around to spraying the dove field, because it's going to have to get busted up and planted here pretty soon. Then I got to work on the John boat, get a new transom put in it, hopefully today. And hopefully on this video we'll get that done. But yeah, there's the old sprayer sitting right there. Right there. And really I just got to put it in the bucket of the tractor. Make sure that when I hook it up to the battery, the pump operates properly. Put some water in it, make sure it sprays and stops spraying when it's supposed to. Stuff like that. If that all goes well, we're going to work on the old John boat. Just sitting right there to see if we can get the transom put in it, get these old wood seats cut off of it, screws out of it, see if I can find a way to mount these other seats. And by the time we get all that done, hopefully it'll be warmed up out here, one, and two, maybe I can get around to working on my truck today. But that'll be a separate video. It's not gonna be this video. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work on this old sprayer. We're gonna see if we can get it up and running. I'll catch back with y'all here in just a second. Alright guys, got the old sprayer in the bucket here. Got the Mahindra warming up, the glow plugs. I drive a Cummins, I ain't got to deal with that. But we'll see if we can get her all fired up here. Push the clutch in. Take it out of gear. So cold start there. It's cold this morning. Woo, it's cold. I'm gonna back this thing out and pull it over the water hose with some water in it, grab its battery, and we're gonna see if we get some juice out of this thing. Alright guys, I got just a little bit of water put in here. Oop, wrong direction. I'm zooming in. Zoom out. Alright, so kind of just a simple setup. Easy enough for us to spray whatever we need to spray. Tractor hauls it around, carries the weight, and you drive around squeezing the trigger. About how it works. I don't know if there's any juice in this battery at all. It's kind of been sitting out, and I think I put the sprayer in here the wrong direction. But since this is just for testing purposes, we'll find out if it works. Hopefully this battery's got enough juice in it for it to kick this pump on long enough for me to know, hey, yeah, this is gonna work, or hey, no, this ain't gonna work. So, I'm pretty sure this battery's about dead. Yeah, that battery's stone cold dead. So, I'm gonna put on the battery charger. We'll try this again later. And hopefully it warms up a little bit. It's kind of cold out here today. Look cool this morning. Should warm up as the day goes on. I'll catch back with y'all after we get the battery charged. Alright guys, I have no clue where our battery charger is. So I did find another battery though, so we're gonna try this one and hope that it works. No. Nothing. Alright, so both batteries are dead. Oh, nope, just a bad connection. Let this thing build up some pressure and we'll see what happens. She's building pressure. Alright, battery's not totally dead. Oh, I got enough water in here though, so I might need to tilt my bucket forward. There we go. Gotta tilt that bucket forward, let that water get where it needs to be. Possibly. May not have enough water in it still. Oh no, we got the pickup in there. Oh, got a disconnected hose. Alright, so we got some technical difficulties. Set you guys down and see if I can figure out all these technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on with it. There we go. About 40 pounds pressure. Not sure exactly how to work this same thing. Not sure what the cutoff on this is supposed to be. Alright, we're gonna let that run for a minute. It is running, and it will shoot water, but I need to let it build pressure and see if the pump's gonna cut off. I think it's supposed to automatically cut off. So I'll pick up with you guys in a minute, let you know if I got this thing running right or not. Alright guys, so I got that up and running. It seems to run fine. The pump's not supposed to shut off, apparently. That was a mistake on me. I thought maybe the pump automatically shut off, but there's no way for it to automatically shut off once it builds pressure. That's fine. It's meant to stay running, continuously build pressure while you're spraying along. So here in a couple days, Dad gets back with a battery charger. It's in his truck for whatever reason. So here in a few days, we get some dry enough weather, we're gonna go spray the dove field up there. So it'll start dying off, then we can burn it off maybe, or just cut it under. We'll probably just end up cutting it under like we always do. Oh, Mahindra fired right up, that was good. But if it quit raining around here, we can get some stuff done. Hopefully. I'm really, really hoping it'll quit raining, so we can start getting a few things done. But I think I'm gonna either start working on the boat or something. I'm not exactly sure at this moment in time what I'm gonna do. This was a major thing that needed to be done, had to be checked before the date we needed it, in case we needed parts or something. So got that done. Probably gonna see if I can get this boat up and going, get this transom put in, possibly today on this boat. That's really all it needs, and maybe mount these seats if I can figure that out. If not, you know, it's got the old benches in it, so that's fine anyway. I'll catch back up to y'all here in a minute when I decide on what I'm gonna do. Hopefully, if I can remember to get the camera out. Alright guys, so we're going to be working on the boat. We're going to be pulling out this old rotten transom. As you can see, it's all rotten up in there. This is just our little throw in a ditch boat for fishing backwater sloughs. Of course, we got the big boat in the shop, or our catfishing boat in the shop, and then we've got our pontoon boat over under the other shed. So these are all on this boat are 7/16 and a flathead on the other side. So I'm gonna get around to start stripping this down, and hopefully I can get it all out without breaking anything. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna be doing is replacing a couple AC parts on the old Cummins here, old Project Babe. We'll be replacing this thing that I can't ever remember the name of, and the dryer canister thing back there. Those are gonna be the two parts that we're replacing. I got them in the truck. First we gotta get all this torn down. It's pretty simple. The only thing that I was waiting on to do it, some of these, so you can get in there and remove this fitting right here, because it's got a spring under it and you gotta push that in there and wiggle all that crap loose. So I'm gonna get to working on this. I'm probably not gonna video a whole lot of it because I really gotta get this done so I can get in the shop and get it recharged before it starts getting hot out here. It's been getting a little warm on a couple of these days. I know I'm wearing a hoodie right now. This morning it's cool, but later on in the afternoon it'll be nice and warm. So I'm gonna get to working on this. I'll catch back with y'all when it's done. Alright guys, so we're just finishing up for the day. We just put in the... There you go. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, it's her first day as camera girl. We just finished putting in all the new AC parts, got everything put back together. Had to buy a new line because the old one had a bunch of holes in it. Got all that hooked up. And if you come back here, you can see that we've got our 4-inch straight pipe exhaust on there with a tractor flap. I'm gonna start it up so you guys can hear it. She's gonna stay right here in video. I'll be right back. Let me get the keys out of the box. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today. I want to thank y'all for watching. We got the tractor, we got the sprayer fixed on the tractor. Got the AC system ready to go, minus it needing to be charged, and have a vacuum drawn on it. Got the 4-inch straight pipe on there. Everything's tightened down there. We didn't get to finish working on the boat because I couldn't get the bolts out of it, so I'm going to cut them off with a Sawzall. I just have to go buy some new ones. Like I said, I want to thank y'all for watching. Remember to check out my Instagram. It's always linked in the description below. Y'all stay frosty, and I'll see y'all next time.